Hi, superstars. Today we'll be talking about secret agri-business ideas that can make you a multi-millionaire this year. Okay, so there are agri-businesses that are making lots of people in Africa and Nigeria multi-millionaires secretly and silently. People are making money from these agribusiness ideas. All right, and the great thing about it is that it involves low startup capital. With as low as 50,000 naira, you can start these business ideas and then make loads and loads of money from it. So in this video, I'll be sharing them with you. So my superstars, go grab a book, a pen, let's get started because this year we must secure the bag. Yeah, this year is Operation Secure the Bag. All right, let's get started. First, you need to know that in the agri industry, one of the challenges we've had is losses after harvest. All right, as a food engineer, I remember back then in the university, a lecturer used to tell us that we should look for ways we can improve on food to increase the shelf life and also reduce losses due to spoilage. Okay, and one of the challenges we have in Nigeria and Africa as a whole is that after harvest of most foodstuffs, they get spoiled due to poor storage. Okay, it is not processed into safe ways which will increase its shelf life. Okay, and lots of people have realized that by processing food into other forms they can increase the shelf life and then reduce losses and also make money. All right, so people are beginning to go into processing of foodstuffs into other mediums that will increase the shelf life. All right, so I'll be sharing with you some of the products that have been processed into other forms, thereby increasing the shelf life so you can know them and also get started with them. And most of these foodstuffs with as low as 20,000 naira, 30,000 naira, 40, 50, you can get them and process them and increase the shelf life and then make money. All right, my superstars. Okay, so number one on my list is tomatoes. Yes, we all know that tomato is very perishable. And there are times during harvest that a basket of tomato goes for as low as 15,000 naira, sometimes 10,000 naira. Okay, so there are times like that where tomato is in abundance, but it is perishable. We have discovered that by dehydrating tomatoes, you can increase the shelf life and also make money. All right, so lots of people have gone into dehydration of tomatoes into tomato powder. Yes, if you check out right now in the market, you'll see tomato powder. It is simply tomato that has been dehydrated to get rid of water and then remove the moisture content, leaving it in the powdered form, in this flake form. Okay, it is left in the flake form. Then it is further grounded into powder to obtain tomato powder. All right, some people also store tomato as flakes. That's after dehydrating, it is kept as flakes without grinding, but mostly it is grounded into tomato powder and then sold. All right, my superstars. Okay, so number two on my list is onions. Onions is another food product that can be dehydrated and then kept and subsequently used or sold as onions powder. Have you tried onions powder, my superstars? Oh, my superstars, the aroma is wow. It has this very strong, concentrated aroma that once you add it to food, it tastes wow. And lots of people are going into onions dehydration to have onions powder. You all have been a witness that last year onions was very expensive, and even up till now we still buy about four tiny seeds of onions for 500 naira. No, for 1,000 naira. Yes, we buy four tiny seeds of onions for 1,000 naira. Onions is still expensive as at now, so this has afforded people the opportunity, those who are able to dehydrate onions in its season of abundance. There's that time of the year when onions is its season of abundance. It is everywhere. So those who can buy it during that period and then dehydrate it can go ahead and sell it as onions powder in its season of scarcity and make lots and lots of money. Okay, my superstars. All right. The next food that can be dehydrated is cayenne pepper. All right, the cayenne pepper. We also have Scotch bonnet pepper. All the peppers in the pepper category can be dehydrated into powder, and then money can be made from it. Okay, so all you need is a dehydrator. Go ahead, remove the seeds so it doesn't get bitter. All right, and then dehydrate it into pepper flakes. Okay, and then it can further be grounded into pepper powder. All right, so I mentioned 3 food products so far. So number 4 on my list is beans flour. All right, so recently I had a bag of beans and I didn't want to like consume it as just beans. I needed alternatives, so I went ahead and I made beans powder from beans. If you want to see the full video, the link is in the video below, or you can check out how to make beans flour at home. Okay, so I made beans flour and it has been wow. I've been able to use it to make moi moi, akara, and that is it, rather than just eating beans. So beans can also be dehydrated and then you ground it into flour. From there you can make beans flour. Okay, from there you can make moi moi, akara, and all other products of beans. All right, so next is cassava. All right, so cassava is another food product that can be dehydrated. Okay, it is cut and then dried, dehydrated, and from there it is grounded into cassava flakes or cassava flour. This cassava flour can further be used to make odorless fufu. People are consuming odorless fufu now, all right? So it can be used to produce odorless fufu, or it can be made into cassava flour, okay, where you just pour hot water and then turn it and it looks like a pounded yam. All right, okay, so the next product that can be dehydrated is yam. Yes, yam in its season of abundance is much, and in its season of scarcity it is expensive. Okay, so you can buy it in a season of abundance and then cut it into tiny pieces, dehydrate it, and then ground it into yam flour. Okay, so all the products I have mentioned so far are products in which so many people are making money from by processing foods from its raw state with high moisture content to its semi-solid to its dry solid state. Okay, and then it can be grounded into powder. Is a way in which people are making money. Lots of people have become millionaires by dehydrating food and then packaging it and then selling it. All right, my superstars. So this year, let me know which food product you are going to dehydrate, okay, and then ground and then package and sell. We still have plantain flour. We have different other food products. Lots of people love plantain flour, as in diabetics. They consume mostly plantain flour, so it has a very high market value. Lots of cereals are dehydrated and then grounded into processed into flour. All right, so let me know which food product you will be dehydrating and then processing into flour and selling this year to make money. Write it in the comment section. Okay, my superstars, in our next video I'll be telling you some of the machines you need to carry out this dehydration and other processes to make money. There are machines that have made lots of millionaires. Okay, they're not expensive, they're affordable machines that can make you a millionaire this year. So watch out for our next video. Alright, my superstars, have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.